Welcome to the installation guide for your brand new corner protectors for Death From Below and Death From Below Mark II. Thanks for choosing the SKAA Store Custom Shop to help upgrade and personalize your DFB, adding protection, durability, and a clean finished look that's uniquely yours. In addition to your new corner protectors, you'll need one simple tool, a tube of RTV or room temperature vulcanizing silicone. We recommend JB Weld, General Electric, or Permatex. You may also want to have a washcloth handy to clean up any extra silicone that might squeeze out during installation. Start by applying a small dab of RTV silicone to the inside corner of each protector. Then simply press and slide the protectors onto each corner of your DFB. Make sure they're seated nice and snug. If a bit of silicone ends up squeezing out, just be sure to wipe it away with your washcloth before it dries. After 1 hour, the RTV silicone will be semi-cured and dry to the touch. After 24 hours, it'll be fully cured and ready to handle anything your next gig throws at it. Thanks for watching our installation guide for your new corner protectors for DFB. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below or reach out to support@SKAA.com. We're always happy to help. Additionally, be sure to visit SKAAStore.com for all your gear and custom shop needs. Have a wonderful day.